Hey guys, it's Dust Shiva here, and today I wanted to show you this comic that I found a few weeks ago while drunk and searching through iFunny. It's a comic of Hanzo and Genji from Overwatch, if you guys don't know. But while drunk, I had made Snapchat videos of me holding my phone up to the screen and reading this and just laughing so hard because the artwork is just bad, but it makes the comic that much funnier. So no offense to the artist, but props to the artist because I don't think this comic would have been that funny without it, looking like crap. um but yeah, so my friend who saw my Snapchat videos wanted me to make a full video of this and upload it because he thought it was just the funniest thing ever. I'm only going to include the original audio clips because the original video clips are literally me just holding my phone up to my monitor at this comic and my hands shaking so hard because I'm laughing that much. So I'm just going to go screen by screen and include the original audio, but this picture screen by screen. So enjoy!
Okay, let's try this. Am sad I killed bro. Hey, it me your brother. Impossible. I'll kill you. I can't even read this. Hand soap, please.